How can you add a page to your favorites on a Safari on iPhone? And let me show you how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you open up the Safari and look up the web page that you want to add to favorites. You just want to make sure you load it up in the full screen, and then next to the URL, like there you can see like the name of the website. Next to it on the left, we have the rectangle and a 2 lines icon. You can click on it and this gives you some options like to translate it and whatnot, but then click on the 3 dots button and there you can see we can add it to the favorites. That means that you can see that it's going to be added to this like star icon folder or whatever, and the favorites are storing the web pages which you like, obviously, and you can get to those by going to the bookmarks like that and choosing the folders for bookmarks and finding the favorites there. So that is how you can get to them. Or a lot of people open up the new tab within the Safari and then they go to the favorites there, so you can edit the new tab and make sure that the favorites are enabled and toggled on so you can quickly access them with a quick click of a button, and it also gets the job done very effectively. So that's how it works. Let me know what you think about it below. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.